unauthorised key usage. Let's do it. Right, let's go up to the top floor. You only get to go to ground one of this lift. What is up on the second floor? Right, let's turn the bottom key switch. Basement mezzanine. Basement. Woohoo! Spooky! And now go along to the next lift, which is in this car park outside of the centre. This car park is actually a bit different looking. Architecture is a bit different to usual car parks. And lifts here are some Cone M series lifts which have been horribly modernised. They now no longer do intelligent levelling.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 10. Doors opening. Going down.
And now go along into Fenwick's into the lift there, which is a Keith lift which has been horribly modernised.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Upper ground floor. Doors opening.
And now go along to some of the main lifts in this shopping centre, which are some nice Cone M2s. They've had their buttons replaced, but everything else is original and they do intelligent levelling. Yes! Let's try out the car preference key switch.
Lift going up. Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors open. Doors closing. Lift going down. Doors closing. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
And now we go along to a lift at Boots. This lift is a hydraulic Cone M series which has been horribly modernised by 21st century lifts. Oh dear. So then this lift goes between lower male, lower boots level, upper male and upper boots level. Let's ride it.
This lift is going down. Doors closing. One.
And now go along to the other set of main lifts in the shopping centre. These are some more Cone M series lifts which have had their buttons replaced. And let's try out my car preference key again.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Doors opening. Level 1. Doors closing. Doors opening. Level 8.
They should be modernised now. It's all old
Let's go through this spooky door and it leads into spooky area! Right, the service lift. Let's go ride a lift. But it's locked. I can't ride it. Oh, but I can because I've got a Dewhurst key.